In this episode, I find a phone.
Found a phone.
Matt tells us why I do dirt
That's why
bikes.
Adam likes to do dirt bikes.
Highlights from Sunday's race. And I get a mysterious package. On Saturday, my race looked like this. I got passed a lot, which means that I get to report to you from the trackside. All right, I see you're all geared up. You made it in?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, Devin. That's awesome.
Sunday Pro Qualifying 2021 TKO. Adam does dirt bikes.
That's right, pro qualifying. Sunday starts off with a qualifying session to determine the starting order of the 60 riders that are going to be racing in the first race. In the second race, there's going to be 25, and in the last race, there'll be only 15. We're cheering for Devin, and we hope that he can make it to the final race.
Let's go, Jordan! Come on, Blueberry Head, pick it up, let's go!
There's Devin. He's making his way through.
Clutch is a contagion.
Oh, it's slipping?
Yeah.
Did Devin go through?
Yeah. Yeah, he got up. He didn't make it clean all the way, but he got up to the top and then just kind of pivoted around and he managed to get up. Just sick. This is real life in the woods at TKO. Hey, boys.
Yeah.
Fun. Josh, we having fun?
Having a great time.
I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Do you think this hill is hard? Or are these guys just making it look easy? Every now and then, hard enduro is hard on the bikes and the body. How's it going, man?
For today, man. Look good. I can't run anymore. It's burning.
Broken handlebars? Zip ties. That's what you use to limp back home. Quick shout out to all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. The hot lap is over, starting order is determined, and we're getting ready for the first knockout race. I'm in the creek bed scoping out shots for the first race. Then I get distracted because I see a shiny thing in the rocks. Found a phone? Oh shoot, here comes Devin. In the meantime, we have Matt Adams in another section of the track, asking all the hard questions.
You ever heard of Adam Does Dirt Bikes?
Hell yeah.
The leaders are running through. Manny, Billy, and Tristan.
Get it, Will! All the way up!
Devin climbs his way up, and on his tail, we got Mr. Zack Attack. Devin is running about mid-pack, but is it enough to get him into the second race?
How was your weekend, Rodrigo?
Pretty good, man. I got 5th yesterday and 32nd today and got a knockout.
Devin also got knocked out. In the meantime, teams are preparing for the second race. But more importantly, what about that phone? It's Jack. I called the number, talked to Jack's mom. Turns out it's Jack Wilford. I just saw you, dude. Well, this is gonna be a little bit of a game. I'm gonna try to find you out there somewhere out on the course.
Hey, the rock ferry's made it easier.
Oh yeah?
They're calling that Eric's Maze, the next segment of river. A bunch of line choices, but no good ones.
Alright, so the good stuff is up there.
If you follow the course, you'll know when you get to Josh's downhill.
Well, let's go see what Josh's downhill is all about. But what about the GoPro takeover?
Did a Adam Does Dirt Bike race report weekend from the Hard Enduro brothers.
Yeah, here we go. Adam learned all about this guy, bludgeon to rock. I know Zach Attack helped me, so that was good.
Oh, call out the Zach Attack.
Yeah, you know, love,
Zach
you know, love. At Zach Attack.
Race 2 is underway, and we're down to 25. Here's what Josh's downhill and Eric's maze is all about. It's a race. You might be asking, why are they going so slow? Well, these rocks are covered in moss, and then they also sweat because of the humidity and the change in temperature, which makes them super slippery. Tire placement and line choice is everything. This doesn't seem like a good day. Is Taddy gonna make it to the third race?
Okay, Teddy?
The rest of the pack is riding through. But remember, only the top 15 advance to the final race. Hey, whatever happened to that cell phone?
She said what?
Adam.
She said what?
Adam Does Dirtbikes found a phone.
Oh,
Holy moly, it's not even broken?
Oh.
Where'd you find it?
Out in the rocks.
Wow. Look at that.
One more race, and this is one section that Josh added yesterday that the pros didn't really know about, so this should be a good spot. Matt is out there somewhere taking over my GoPro.
Live at the start, it's about to go live. 3 rows of riders, 5 deep. TKO 2021 Sunday main imminently coming down the pipe. Going hard and fast. Into the enduro cross, it's gonna be gnarly. That's why Adam likes to do dirt bikes.
Hey, wait a second, that's Taddy. Is his shoulder okay?
And second moto popped out twice.
What?
And I was like,
Came out?
yeah, twice. So that's bad, right? Oh.
Ouch. Well, here we go, the final race.
So Adam Does Dirt Bikes. We were just talking with the crowd and we determined that spectating here, it's the hard enduro of spectating with all the hiking and the standing and leader coming through. We're already coming back through. That was real fast lap.
Yep, that's right, leader coming through. Billy. In second place is Manny. And right behind them is Tristan. Oh shoot, Billy's stuck. Is he gonna be able to escape before Manny catches him? Check out this slick inside line.
They were making it look easy. What would be your approach?
Spin it.
I don't like the sound of that. Well,
We're winding down to the final laps, and Billy is still leading. But then this happens.
Billy went up, made about halfway up the hill climb. I turned around, Manny put the pass on him. Just like that, change of events.
So there you have it, your 1, 2, 3. Manny, Billy, and Tristan. But wait, this just in.
We got a surprise bonus lap. We all thought the race is over. It is not. Manny and Billy are tire to tire. And we are at the spot. So we're here doing Adam Does Dirt Bikes. With Adam Does Dirt Bikes! Wow! We're doing it with Adam!
Yes, that's Manny. Yes, he's leading. And yes, he's stuck.
Manny got stuck right on the rocks before the hill climb. So Billy put the pass on him. It's a wicked battle between those guys. What a plot twist.
And that wraps it up for the story of TKO 2021. What is this? Some mysterious package? Is this my missing GoPro battery? Well, thanks, Matt.